back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require very little experience, although you will have to have your own computer and computer equipment. But if you're trying to get into the work from home field and you don't really have a lot of experience, you have large gaps on your resume, or you're just new to the workforce, this might be a way to get your foot in the door, get some experience to put on that resume. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them, because we want everybody to work from home, living their happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead, though, is from the company Direct Interactions. Direct Interactions has 248 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service specialist. So this is going to require some phone work, but you are going to be processing unemployment claims with this position. They have both full-time and part-time opportunities. They're basically looking for somebody to process those unemployment insurance claims. So what you're going to be doing is answering incoming calls through computer software and assisting customers. These customers are probably going to be filing these unemployment claims. You're going to take their information, enter it into the system, and process those claims. You'll research information in databases to resolve any of those customer issues, and you'll maintain composure in escalated situations. So this is going to require you to be a multitasker, handling multiple responsibilities at one time and working efficiently in a fast-paced environment. They are going to offer complete training. It's done virtually, and it will consist of virtual instructor-led and self-paced training courses. Training is going to be completely paid. And the first week of training, you're going to be training 6 hours a day. The second week of training, it'll be 4 hours a day for 3 days. And then you will be ready to work. Now, it does say that they're looking for people who want to work at least part-time 20 hours per week, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It does say that they offer full-time as well. This is going to be $15 an hour. It's a W-2 position that is paid bi-weekly. But as far as what they are looking for, someone who is a self-starter who can demonstrate a passion for providing great customer service, somebody who can maintain composure, so someone who can keep their cool. Now, here's where the only experience comes in. They want somebody who has experience working in a team environment. That's it. So you've ever worked anywhere before in your life with other people, not by yourself, you've got this one covered. Other than that, they don't require any other experience. They do need somebody who has great communication skills, though, somebody who has the ability to remain calm under pressure, type at least 30 words per minute, and be a multitasker. Now, a few things to note. They are going to require you to pass a criminal background check, and they're hiring throughout the United States except for California and New York, but all other states are golden, and you just have to have a high school diploma or GED. That is it. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.